There's a blizzard out here. I'm just kidding. It's just cold.
Continue on Research Forest Drive for 1.5 miles.
Okay. I think the high today is 33 degrees. But we're going to stay out as long as we can. I don't think there's any rain, so I think we're safe. First order today right here. Shipley's. Gonna go get it. Check in at the drop off. Oh, when I was in Shipley's, I got a Dunkin' right here. We'll put them together. You'll see they go together. They both don't pay really that much by themselves, but together they're much better. So we're gonna go pick that up. We're gonna go to the Shipley's drop off, then the Dunkin' drop off, and shut up, and get them dropped off, and I'll see you on the next one.
Head south on Del Webb Boulevard toward Connemara Drive.
One thing
Continue
I love.
on Del Webb
Shut
Boulevard for 1 mile.
One thing I love doing on this route is sneaking right through, and I don't even have to put the code in, but I do know the code to get through these gates. You sneak through this gated community to get to the other side. It's a straight shot rather than going around. Saves a couple minutes. So that's what we're doing. Would save more, but I have to drive a little slower. But let's get to that first drop off. All right, they're both dropped off right there. We got 2 more. Wal-Mart and Whataburger on DoorDash. The Whataburger and Walmart in the same parking lot. The DoorDash is a quick drop off while we wait for Walmart to get their shit together.
In 600 feet, turn right.
Oh boy, it's cold out here. It's so cold.
Head north. Sharp left.
Head up. So we're gonna go do the Whataburger and then come back for the Walmart. It's a small order, like five items, 8 units, which, you know, they count bags on Walmart, so it's actually 4 items. I don't know how long that would take this early in the morning. Should be pretty easy. It's $23. It's going back to my neighborhood, but we'll just reset from there. Check in a bit. Oh man, we checked in at Walmart. It is, you can tell by my windshield, it is starting to sleet a little ice here. I struck off that Whataburger. I'll put it on the screen. Word of advice, never put your a cup on top of your roof when you're loading the food when there's ice up there. Luckily it spilled outside of the car and not in the car, so just get another one. It's all good. I think we'll do this delivery in super speed motion. How you like that? This is actually going back to my neighborhood. We'll drop it off, we'll reset, like I said, and we'll begin again. This should be $23. Of course, you'll know the tip comes in tomorrow. And it could tip 8, but it's been a while since that happened, so I'm not anticipating that. And not for my neighborhood. Okay, let's go. All right, so that's that Walmart's dropped off. That was quick, wasn't it? And as I dropped it off, another one popped up, a shop, $28, same Walmart down the street, and 0.4 miles to drop off, but it was gone as soon as I saw it. I didn't know how many items. Hopefully, let's just say it was 50 items, so it ain't that good. That's what we're gonna hope for. But so far, it doesn't look too busy on the apps, which is just weird. My my market is very finicky. There's no telling what, when it's going to be busy and when it's not. Crap. Like, it's raining and there's a football game on, and it's Friday or Saturday night. It's probably going to be slow. A random Wednesday night, nothing going on. I can't take all these orders. There's just no telling. It doesn't make any sense. You just go out and see if and just hope it's busy or not, or busy. But let's get back to the zone because I'm a little, oh shit, I'm lost. Hold up. Yeah, that's it. All right. I'll check back in on the next one. All right, we got another Walmart picked up. I just have it picked up just now. This is the problem. When I started recording, I knew this would be an issue when I was having to take multiple things over multiple apps. They have a 13 4-mile Grubhub. I did not screenshot it. Did not screenshot the HEB pickup, which is for later. It needs to be dropped off at 10, and we got 75 minutes to do that. We can do that. That's going to be last. This Walmart's going to be second to last. We got to do this Grubhub first. 13 for 4 miles. It's not exactly going in the same direction as the Walmart drop, but who gives a shit, because it's money time. I will probably, after they're all done, maybe I'll just put all the earnings, all 3 of them, on the screen. It's unfortunate that I don't have the maps for them, but it's going to be at least an hour to do all 3. But one's 20, one's 13, and the other's 13. Well, 13 and change for both. And one's 20 even. So what's that? That's almost 50. And a little over an hour and 15 minutes. Let's go. So I get to this guy's house, and the instructions say, leave on table. What, that table right there? The one with the 4 little twig-like legs? Mind you, this is a $300 Walmart order with a 50-pound bag of dog food. I don't think that's going to work, my guy. Luckily, once I started loading stuff onto the table, not knowing really what to do, he did come out and start grabbing the stuff and thanking me for bringing it. So it worked out. But my gosh, I was just not sure what to do. I was about to just leave things on the ground around the table because it's all I could do. Because he certainly couldn't leave them at his door because it's just steps, no porch, nothing. Well, it didn't go as planned. I dropped 2 of them. I just dropped a Walmart, and that was a, what you call it, a cluster F. There was a 10-minute wait at the restaurant. I should have known. That restaurant's teetering on blacklist. It's too long to explain, but they should just close their doors. So these 2 drops right here is what I'm done with. It's 9:30, so I'm not doing as well as I would like, considering this way. Get me out of here. Considering the weather conditions. They do have orders. They have some decent ones. We'll see what else we get. I'll check in on the next one. I guess I failed to mention that I dropped the HEB because there's no way I'm going to get it done by 10. I have 30 minutes right now, so I dropped that at 8:55. After I got to the restaurant and realized they're full of shit. At some point, I'm just going to start suing these restaurants for idiocy and incompetence. Because it costs me real dollars. It really does. Because I'm really considering suing McDonald's for calling their shit fast food. Because we know it's not fast. And honestly, it's not. Slow chemicals. That's what it is. Slow chemicals. That's what we call McDonald's. Slow chemicals. All right, enough rambling. Let's get back to work. All right, that helps. Right there. Catering order. It's probably like 8 dozen tacos. Easy drop off. Should be. I think it is.
Head northeast toward Pinecroft Drive.
After that, we also have this. It wouldn't be late to the pickup, but Walmart doesn't seem to care. And on time percent, who gives a shit? And it's not food, so I'm not worried about it being late. Yeah, we killed that stuff. Okay, we're gonna go do this. I'll show you the drop off. We're gonna go. The Apple's in the mall. I'm gonna take the camera with me in the mall. Scope it out. Alright, we're in the mall. This is what I made on the DoorDash. I know that's great, but the most infuriating thing about that is that I wasn't able to pick up the Apple before picking up the DoorDash because of Walmart's stupid wait times. Don't pick up until this time. If I could have just went and picked up the Apple, because I know that one's ready, it would have wasted more time and have Taco Cabana have more time to make their order. I probably arrive right when it's ready and I can go deliver them both, but now I have to backtrack and do the Apple separate. It's infuriating. It really is. Well, I swear, man. Tried to get mall action and the camera cut out on me. Oh well. Got the other recording on there. But then I got a double, Jason's Deli and Total Wine, going with the Apple. Same direction, $22, 11 miles. The Apple's 6 miles, same direction. Uber's going off like crazy. I'm not going to take a single Uber. Uber's just such trash these days. But I don't screenshot it. I'm just so used to pressing accept, decline. I'm like, hurry up, and bear with me. I got to get used to doing these videos, working 2 phones, 2 cameras, whatever, at the same time. But it's about 38, it's almost 40, 39 and change for the 3. Jason's Deli is notorious for not having the shit ready, so we're probably gonna wait a little bit. In Total Wine, we go in and get it and get out, and that's it. But I'll check in after they're all done. Shit, catering on tariff of $40. Popped up and phone froze because Uber's just going off constantly. That I'm not gonna take. Probably froze the phone and it's not there now. Man.
Turn left toward Lake Woodlands.
Those usually are just available
right
for you to look at,
Drive.
not like they're just gone in 2 seconds. So it was $40.
Turn right onto Lake Woodlands Drive.
$40 for 10 miles, but not going to be doing that one. Let's go to Total Wine. Jason's Deli was ready. How you like that? Just one sandwich. Apple, $7 cash tip to go to 16. Let's finish this off with the last of the DoorDash. That's the, what do you call it? Total Wine. Let's put this up. Oh, man. It's not a good day for hard time with doing these videos with working and watching out on the road because it's cold and wet and rainy. We got some ice. Put that back on. All right, let's get the total one drop off, and then I'll send you the screenshots of those. Well, as expected, typical Walmart bullshit. A very small order for $15 right here. We were gonna take that, and we're not because it just says packing up, packing up. It's late, packing up. So we're gonna cancel it, and we're going to make this. And let me check that. Just word of advice, the only thing I've ever got out of, Jesus Christ, oh, wow, that's terrible. The only good advice I've ever got from a Walmart support agent is when you cancel an order, put app issue for every reason, no matter what the reason is. Apparently, that won't make your drop rate go down or up or whatever. It'll never count against your drop rate if you choose app issue. Actually said that to me. Didn't help me with my problem when I called, but he told me that, and I'm like, at least this, I got something out of this call. So, app issue. I tell you, I gotta get better with taking screenshots of these acceptance screens. I'm getting in that mode where it's just, let's go. Let's get these. But anyway, I got 3 on 3 different apps. I'm going to put it in, let's see, it's Favor, it's Uber, it's DoorDash. All picked up.
Head to your drop off at 555 Longleaf Pine DR. Turn left, then turn right.
Shut up. All right. See you back at the house. Oh boy, it's dropped, and just like the last video, it's like 3 houses down from mine. That last drop, that Uber. Man, that's really working out. Anyway, this is a rough one to film. I need a mulligan for this. The missed screenshots, all that. At the end, it's like I can't do it. I can't do it. It's too busy. The roads are slick. It's starting to rain now. It's 28 outside, so I'm probably not even working for dinner tonight. But those 3, Ninja Star, boom, 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 at home. And I also got a Raising Cane's coming with this last one, but the store was closed for MLK, so I got the store close fee right there. As far as what I made today, wow, I'm gonna have to tally it up this should be it right here. It should be, I don't know what it is now as I'm filming, but when I edit, it'll be right there in your face. But closing in on 220, which is pretty good. And 6 hours, 220 for 6 hours is, you know, 36, 37 an hour, if my math's right. So we'll take that. I'm going to eat a hot bowl of soup that my wife has for me now. And this is going to be the end of the video. Hope you enjoy, like and subscribe. Please comment. Before I get big and stuff, you know, hopefully, I can answer every comment. When I have 10,000 subscribers and I got 100 comments in the first hour, I can't answer them all. So if you have questions about what I do or how I handle a problem situation, whatever, I can get in depth with you in the comments if you want. Okay. Thanks for watching. Look, Uncle Joe watching me on the big screen.